500? Is it, is...
This is from September
when we were
of 2012. CNN, that's pretty mainstream.
We had talked about debt as one of those factors here, and you heard a lot at the RNC about how under President Obama, the national debt has spiked some $6 trillion almost.
Right.
And that is true. But when you look within those numbers and you see why our debt was spiking, you know, a big chunk, and this is national debt as the size of the economy, a big chunk of that is actually tax cuts. Remember, President Bush had the Bush tax cuts, and then President Obama, he kept them going. So those tax cuts are one of the reasons.
And that argument continues to keep extending them too.
Yeah, absolutely. These are wars. What we've spent on wars. That's how much of the is from that. And this is the downturn. The crisis itself really hurt how much money is coming into the coffers of the government, and that helped spike the debt as well. This is TARP, Fannie and Freddie bailouts, and this is the president's stimulus right here, and some of those policies, and these are all the other stuff that we do that's spend beyond our means.
While that tax cuts looks so ugly to the naked eye, there is a Democratic argument and a Republican argument to that brown zone.
Oh, absolutely. And remember, they were always called the Bush tax cuts, and now debt hawks call them the Bush-Obama tax cuts, because the president, you're going to hear a lot of DNC probably about how the president has lowered the tax bill for middle-class Americans. That has to be paid for. That goes in the national debt.
I just feel like you're going to end up in a commercial. I just campaign commercial.
Everything's happened before on both sides.